Guys, today we are at the Sopcom, North Sopcom, part 3 of my HCU campus tour. This is the ATM, North ATM. In last video I have shown you the South ATM, the campus beauty, you can see that. Now today we will be exploring the chemistry department, AI, artificial intelligence, SN school and so many. So stay tuned guys, let's see. So let's start part 3 HCU. This is the Sopcom shopping complex. Guys, this is the health center. You can see that health center, 1.5 lakh insurance you get here freely. Health center, University of Hyderabad, 24/7 available. And this is the road, beauty and everything. You can see that the University of Hyderabad, one of the most fabulous campus I come across. And this is the repository of tomato genomics resources. This is also called tomato center. You can see that professors are coming out of the car. This way go to the Sanskrit department and foreign language studies. Tadang, tadang, University of Hyderabad. You see the cloudy weather, the monsoon on the peak. We are at the end of July month. This is going to be the fabulous video because we will come across the GOPS, the ladies hostel and all. You can see that the building and all. I will be delivering and exploring all those things. This department goes to MCA department. So guys, this is MCA department, मास्टर ऑफ कंप्यूटर वाले डिपार्टमेंट जितने भी लोग हैं जो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं. यू कैन सी दैट द बिल्डिंग, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट लुक्स. MCA डिपार्टमेंट, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल. And this is the hall, and that way goes to the student canteen. Just behind that there is a canteen. In next video I will be covering all the canteens and all. And guys, this is open theater auditorium where Sukoon is held, night cricket cup is played. This is open ground because of lockdown and COVID effect. Everywhere there is a grass. It is a very big ground. You can see that open theater. DJ night is also held here only. You can see that open air auditorium. It is written completely. Very big ground. Cricket is also played at night. So students are going to their respective ladies hostels. Now we are heading towards the GOPS. You can see that almost shops are open. That is the canteen, GOPS canteen. Just beside there is a ladies hostel. Here some shops are open. Grocery shop is open where uncle is traveling, walking. You can see that he is yawning. And that is Xerox and stationery shop right side. This is the GOPS. This is also kind of, you will get all the edible items and all. Let's move to the now chemistry department. So guys, now we are moving towards ladies hostels. This road goes to the VC. You can see that VC camp office, VIP guest and all. So this is VC lodge here this way, and this goes to ladies hostel LH. So let's now move to the ladies hostel where LH 1 to 5 is there, and 6 is also there. 7, 8, 9 LH is in south. So let's move. So guys, this is North ladies hostel. We are about to reach North ladies hostel. This is the building of 1 to 5 ladies hostel is there. There is always security guard. If you want to meet, you can friends meet here. Here is the security office, and this inside building there is ladies hostel 1 to 5. And this road goes to the chemistry canteen, NRC canteen. You can see that. You can see that the ladies hostel. And these are the faculty quarters. See the greenery of the campus. How beautiful it looks. So good, so calm. And here is the chemistry canteen. Very delicious food is being provided. This canteen on the way to ladies hostel itself. Very good canteen it is. We'll cover the canteen and mess food in next video. So guys, stay tuned. And from here we will take the right. Then we will reach chemistry department, artificial intelligence department and all. So we are taking right from here. So this is the road. One of the fantastic road. You can see that. How beautiful it looks. University of Hyderabad. And this way leads to SN School, Sarojini Naidu School of Theatre and Arts. In next video I may try to cover. And this is the chemistry building, the dream of chemistry students. This is the chemistry building. You can see the parking here, bike, scooty and all. Every student gets their lab and all facilities are here. You can see that chemistry building, it's written there, scholar building. This is provided for the PhD scholars. See this campus building. And this building is, yeah, this is the annex building, that is lab building of the chemistry lab. Chemistry is one of the famous department across the country. You can read it out, no problem. You see this school of chemistry, second building of chemistry. And this way, if you go from here, if you keep moving and take the right, you will reach the Mushroom Rock. In next video I will also try to cover the Mushroom Rock and all the rocks, University of Hyderabad. And this is the building. Here all the students come and write their placement exams. This is CR Rao AIMSCS building. Very good building, very good infrastructure here. Placement is done there only. And this way, from here, this way I think it leads to Mushroom Rock if you go right from here. And we have reached to the CMSD building. This is the building, Center of Modeling, Simulation and Designing. You can see this. And now we will be moving to the Ramanujam building also. So let's move. This road straightly, if you go that, you will reach to the Mushroom Rock. This is the one of the most thriller, I think, for every students. Everybody wants to be there. So keep moving guys. You see the greenery lash. You might have seen in videos and the prospectus of such green lashes and all. See the beauty of campus. So guys, that's all from the day. Last we will go to the SN school, Sarojini Naidu School of Theatre Arts. This is CMSD. You can see that the greenery lash, the Asoka tree, I think, full of campus beauty. You will enjoy here. You will never feel bored here. The aura, the everything will attract you. And this goes straight. If you move the right side, that is ladies hostel gate, which connects to the main gate of Old Mumbai Highway. That is Aryabhatta Mathematics Department. It is well renowned department. So we are moving back from School of Chemistry annex building, that is lab building. SN school, we are going back to the SN school. You see the greenery lash and all. How fabulous it looks. How fantastic. This road leads to SN school, of which composed of, I think, two departments, mass communication departments and the theatre art departments, which concludes everything. I mean dance. This is the back side of the chemistry lab. You can see that the decomposers are kept here. And guys, finally we have reached the SN school. And we have reached the SN school. You can see that it is written Sarojini Naidu School Art and Communication. This is very good building. In fact, I think the model of construction is Russian here. This building is, as far as I know, dance department. This building is communication department, where securities are kept here. Professor's car is here. This is the entrance gate, SN school. This is dance department. It is written Department of Dance. And inside there is theatre and art department if you go. And this is the Department of Communication, guys. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy, and I will be uploading in coming videos, I think, mess, canteen food and all. And that at the end you can see that in the end there is MPA, Arts and Theatre. So all the best guys. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay tuned. That's all from the part 3. For part 1 and 2 you can check out, it's uploaded on the YouTube channel. Here students are coming. You can see that they are going to their respective departments. So that's all. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. See you in next video. All the best for your exams. Do write the exam.